Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you turn off your motion blur on MSI monitor. So here's a guide to disable your MPRT or anti-motion blur as well as your response time. Step 1. Open the OSD menu. Press the Navi key or menu button on the back or underside of the monitor. Step 2. Find motion blur settings. Go to gaming settings, look for MPRT, anti-motion blur, 1ms MPRT, motion blur reduction. Step 3. Turn the feature off. Select the settings, change it to off. Step 4. Check adaptive sync. On many MSI monitors, MPRT and adaptive sync or FreeSync cannot be enabled at the same time. If motion blur reduction is grayed out, check the adaptive sync settings. Step 5. Save and exit. Exit the menu and confirm the change. If the screen looks blurry during gaming, set the monitor to its native resolution. Set the refresh rate to the highest available value in Windows. You can go to Settings, select System, and then go to Display and select Advanced Display. Also use DisplayPort or a higher quality HDMI cable. Set response time to fast instead of fastest or extreme if you notice ghosting. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.